Hello and welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Thank you for joining this channel. Right. Okay, so today I want to show you some very nice passing chords in the key of, I'll be in the key of F. F has a F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. So it goes, so let me just play them, then I'm going to teach you. So we have how excellent is your name, oh Lord. How excellent is your name, oh Lord. How excellent is your name. Okay, so let's not do too much. Okay, so let me show you some of these passing chords. So I'm in the key of F. You will do this song basically as a beginner. If you're a beginner, you will have done something like how excellent one is your name, oh Lord. 3, 6, 2, 5. You'd have done something like that. Yeah, how excellent is your name, oh Lord. Yeah, something like that. So, but what am I doing here? I'm doing our excellent. I'm doing 3. I'm doing our excellent 3. Then I'm doing 6. Is your name? I'm doing 2. Then I'm doing a passing chord to 5. Then to 4. Oh Lord, bro. Our excellent is. Okay, so let me show you some of these stuff. So I did 3, right? Your normal basic 3 chord. Like let's say you have a 3, 5, 1. Excellent. Then on 6, I did a jazzy chord, right? For 6. So on left I have a 6. On right I have a 5. Your flat 2, and then your 4. So yeah, the voicing. Then on my 2, I have a 2, flat 5, 7, 3, right? So I have that on the 2 chord. So I did I'm excellent is your name. So after that 2 chord, the notes here are G on the left, B, E, and A on the right. Then instead of going so instead of going from 2 directly to 5 to 3, no, I'll have some passing chords, right? So the passing chords goes like this. After the how excellent is your name, then so I added this chord. I think I've showed you this chord before in some of my videos, if you remember. Right. So we have a flat 6 on the left. On the right, you have your flat 5 minus flattened 7 rather, and then your 9. Then to your 5. So that takes you from this. So I'll just learn the chords, write them down, and listen to. I'm gonna play it again in full, so you'll be able to get the timings. So how excellent is your name. Oh, so I'm doing a 4 chord on 5. Then to this passing chord, you have a 4 on your left. On right, you have a minor third, 5 and 7. Oh Lord, so I did this chord voicing. Right. So this is like a B minor 7, right? Yeah, B minor 7 chord. So then to 6, your normal regular 6 on 5, 6 on the left, 5 on the right. Then back to 2. I hope I'm not missing this one. So let me go again. How excellent 3 is your name, oh Lord. That's 6, then 2, then 5. So and then you take the song again. How excellent So don't forget to click subscribe button. Yeah, so I hope you've learned something from this, so you can add this to your playing. So as excellent is your name. So some of these other places also we can add passing chords, but you know we should not play too much. Yeah, I cannot pass. How excellent is your name. Oh Lord. Yeah, but we have to take it one after the other. You get? We have to take it one after the other. So in the next video again, I'll be doing more about this once I get good comments from this and good views. Thank you and God bless you. Thank you and God bless you.